beneath the vast deserts of eastern Ethiopia lies a hidden power, a power that could change the future of an entire nation. For decades, it has remained silent, locked beneath the sands of the Ogaden Basin. But now, that silence is beginning to break. This is the hidden power beneath Ethiopia, the untold story of Ethiopia's natural gas, and the beginning of a new energy era. The Ogaden Basin, located in Ethiopia's Somali regional state, stretches across more than 350,000 square kilometers, a land rich in history, resilience, and hidden potential. What most people see is desert and dust. But beneath these rugged lands lies one of Africa's most promising natural gas reserves. Scientists and geologists have long known that the region's underground layers hold something extraordinary, layers of sedimentary rock rich in hydrocarbons. For decades, international oil companies, geologists, and governments have studied these formations, searching for signs of gas and oil. The first serious exploration in the Ogaden Basin began in the 1970s. Companies from the Soviet Union, Italy, and later China came here with one goal: to uncover Ethiopia's hidden energy treasure. It was during these years that the Caleb and Halala gas fields were discovered, located near the town of Shalabo. The discovery confirmed what many had suspected for years. Ethiopia was sitting on billions of cubic meters of natural gas. But political instability, lack of infrastructure, and regional insecurity meant that these riches stayed underground, untouched, waiting for their time. That time is now approaching. But what exactly is natural gas, and how does it differ from petroleum? Natural gas is a cleaner fossil fuel made mostly of methane. It burns more efficiently and emits far less carbon dioxide than oil or coal. It's used to generate electricity, power factories, and heat homes around the world. Petroleum, on the other hand, is thicker, the liquid form of hydrocarbons, refined into gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. Both are part of the same natural process that occurred millions of years ago, but natural gas represents a cleaner and more sustainable bridge toward renewable energy. For Ethiopia, this means opportunity, a chance to move from energy importer to energy exporter. Estimates suggest that Ethiopia's Ogaden Basin could hold over 4 to 6 trillion cubic feet of recoverable natural gas, a staggering amount that could power cities, industries, and transportation for decades. Experts say this could transform Ethiopia into one of East Africa's energy giants. The project could generate billions in export revenue, create tens of thousands of jobs, and fuel the country's rapid industrial growth. But to unlock this potential, Ethiopia must first overcome challenges, building pipelines, processing plants, and infrastructure capable of turning raw gas into usable energy. For years, Ethiopia has depended on imported fuel, a costly burden that strains the economy. Natural gas could change that forever, with the Caleb and Halala fields now being developed. Ethiopia could produce its own energy, power its factories, and even export gas to neighboring countries. This isn't just about energy. It's about independence, energy independence. It's about transforming Ethiopia's economy, reducing carbon emissions, and lighting up millions of homes. In the Ogaden region, this project means more than numbers and pipelines. It means new roads, new schools, and new opportunities. It means jobs for local youth, skills training, and hope for families who've lived for generations in one of the toughest environments on Earth. But it also raises questions about environmental protection, resource sharing, and sustainable development. Can Ethiopia build its gas future without harming its land and people? That's one of the big questions this series will explore. Ethiopia's hidden energy treasure is more than just a discovery. It's a symbol of possibility, the dawn of a new era. From the early explorers who drilled the first wells, to today's engineers designing the export pipelines. The journey of Ethiopian natural gas is a story of patience, ambition, and faith in the future. And as the country prepares to bring this energy to the world, one question remains. Will Ethiopia's hidden power finally rise to fuel the nation's dreams? In the next episode of Ethiopia's Hidden Energy Treasure, We uncover the true history of gas exploration in the Ogaden Basin, from forgotten discoveries to the latest breakthroughs that could reshape East Africa's energy future. Stay with us on this journey, the story of how Ethiopia's hidden power could light up a continent.